Captain, so what result would you want? Huwag na tayo magbulahan dito sa Pilipinas. Sabihin mo, ipadaan natin ng referendum, plebisito. Bilat. Kung gusto ng presidente, the resources are there for him to utilize. Pagkabobo naman niya pag hindi mo matalo basta. Whatever it is, a referendum or a plebiscite or a result of a votation or whatever.
Are you saying that if they are going to amend, it's going to be a done deal because he is the president?
I am saying that it's not the time to make changes in the Constitution. The Constitution is good, very good. The best that we have ever produced. Do not
Okay, go ahead.
Sir,
yes, ma'am.
during your
Ang
message,
imong kanibang imong anam guon mo magsigino kadako ng yawa.
sa ibang message dito sa Ceburani, you've mentioned na you will support for the changing of provision as long as President Marcos will commit to the people that he will not run again. Is it a challenge or?
No. It is a reminder that even presently you are not supposed to do it.
What if hindi niya?
Ayan nga sinasabi ko, well, bahala siya. But it's you begin to tinker with it. Yan ang sabi ko, do not tinker with the Constitution. Don't don't other amendments fine. Pati congressman, pati masama talaga. Ano? Wala, ganito na lang. Gusto mong baguhin from ngayon 6 years, you make it 10 years for one term. Maganda. Pero baka sa pangalatlong dekada na yan, huwag ngayon. Kung meron man tayong gawin, hindi para sa atin, para na sa mga ating anak. Huwag para sa atin, kasi yan, that would trigger a lot of friction in society. Magkakaroon ng initana eh. And hindi lang man tayo, buti sana kung kami lang mga politiko. We have to deal with the population, we have to deal with religion, kasi ang religion naman, we have to deal with the military, we have to deal with the police, we have to deal with the security guards, we have to deal with the CAFGO. Puro may armas yan eh.
Let's, Sir, you're raising your hand a while ago.
Sir, you have mentioned that you supported President Marcos in the economic chacha. Could you give us a rate from 1 to 100?
Kanang, kung bintana, ilayo lang yaw ba? Tugnaw. Mga tugnaw doon man na luspad na ganit eh. Okay? Pero ito.
Sir, pwede niyo po magbigay yung rating na 1 to 100 yung support niyo po kay President Marcos when it comes to economic chacha?
100.
If you're going to rate this presidency against the proposed chacha, what grade will you give it?
The proposal for what? You have to have you have to, you know,
Economic chacha daw.
if you make me choose something, make a face on the other side. Chacha.
Yeah.
Chacha, well, okay. Walang problema. As long as I said, do not tinker with one particular sentence there about the presidency.
Yes, Roy.
Mayor, we got your point on the term limits, that you would be okay with it for as long as it will benefit the current officers. That's the term limit. How about the form of government? What's your take on it?
I'm comfortable with the presidential type of government natin ngayon. It's a Republican form of the government, presidential type. Huwag na natin palitan kasi yan yung naabutan ng lolo ko, naabutan ng apo ko. Huwag na natin yaga-yaga. Kung wala nang may ibang putak kayo, kung wala na kayong ibang pag-isip, magpunta kayo doon sa likod ng bahay ninyo. Tingnan ninyo kung walang tao doon. Alam mo kung ano ang gawin ninyo? Bahala na kung anong gusto mo. Huwag kayo kung maubusan kayo ng ideas. Bakit mo ibalandra dito yan sa gobyerno pati sa tao? Ilang beses ba tayo mag-fix ng konstitusyon? There was a flawed one. Okay, we may change it. What else? What needs to be done? Something else? Good. But not the prolonging of the barangay captains, nor of the president. Not good. Kung meron man, i-apply yan.
Si Ruth muna. Ruth.
Mayor, ang source, any comment po sa allegation from a Senate resource person, the Senate inquiry, alleging that you and Vice President Sara Duterte received a bags of guns from Astroporong Pulo.
Kami magtanggap ng baril kay Pastor Kibuloy. Ako pa ba ang mag-deliver sa kanya ng kanyon bukas o machine gun? That's a very stupid proposition.
Wala na katotohanan, Mayor.
It's silly. Bakit man si Pastor mamigay ng baril sa akin? Saan siya magkuha? Kung magsabi siya wala siyang baril, bigyan ko siya. I have about almost more than 500 firearms registered. Collectors category ako eh. Ibig sabihin, bili ako ng bili pero hindi ko magamit. I can only use one. I can carry a gun, only one of the entire collection, maski mag-abot ng 50 million. You're only allowed by the authorities to carry one gun, not even a rifle. Hunting, maybe. Shotgun, okay. But military hardware, no. Wala nga ako eh. All that he had before was military, pero MR. Because sitwasyon, alam mo na, mayor ka, punta ka ng bukid, hindi mo na malaman kung sino yung kalaban mo. Hindi mo talaga alam kung sino ang gustong gorgor sa iyo.
Owning 500 cars,
Ako? Wala eh.